your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So it's still a cool start to the morning, and some folks will want to wear a light sweater as they head out the door. Other folks will find it just absolutely beautiful out there, but the temperatures are generally hovering in the upper 40s to near the 50-degree mark, in some cases a little bit warmer than that. 48 degrees in Sarasota, 50 Bradenton Parish, Lakewood Ranch at 52. Then you got Venice at 55, Inglewood at 56, and Longboat Key at 59. Inland temperatures, as I mentioned, generally hovering in the upper 40s to near 50. 50 in Arcadia, Wauchula, Myakka. Punta Gorda coming in at 48 and Northport at 51. The official air temperature features a low dew point value coming in at 46, making that air have kind of a crisp, sort of invigorating feel to it. But that will be changing as we head into the afternoon, I think, and that dew point value will probably be going up by at least 10 degrees, I think, as we develop, first of all, a southerly wind flow and then eventually even a southwesterly to westerly wind flow right off Gulf waters. That'll be associated with a frontal boundary that'll be approaching, promising us chances of after midnight rains around here. By 9 o'clock, 64 degrees. As the sun comes up full force, we'll see a few fair weather clouds during the afternoon, 12 noon, around 73, 76 degrees by 3 p.m. And then as we head into the evening hours, I think those cloud bases are going to kind of lower just a little bit. And you'll notice something in the sky is going on as those clouds begin to thicken, 72 by about 7 p.m. And what's going on is the approaching frontal boundary. You can see all that cloud cover just to the north of us now. A pretty good swath of clouds actually through the deep south, and some of the high level clouds will first be moving through here, followed by those lower level clouds and eventually rain showers by tomorrow morning. The rains are ongoing this morning through much of the deep south, anywhere from the Virginias all the way down through Georgia, and Atlanta airport getting wet right now, but no airport delays there. And then down toward the Louisiana Delta region with some heavier storms. Snow showers up towards Chicago. Could be airport delays there as well as they get a quick hit of about 2 inches of snow as these low pressure areas move off the Atlantic coast, deepen, develop tonight through tomorrow, and produce some fairly heavy snow in down east Maine. Now, for us, these showers will be on our doorstep by around midnight tonight and then be moving through here as the front also moves through here tomorrow morning. So sun and cloud mix today. Dry, however, I think, and then showers developing after midnight tonight, but especially around this time tomorrow morning, and then cooler temperatures on the way. Looking at the futurecast, you can see how the showers kind of work their way down the Big Bend region. By 9 o'clock tonight, they'll be offshore, but approaching, and then we'll be watching for the development by probably around dawn tomorrow morning of some of the stronger storms out in Gulf water. Some of these storms that are developing by tomorrow morning could contain within them some fairly gusty winds, so we'll be watching for that to see if any of those winds are damaging winds in nature and could make it on shore. The chance of that is very small, but it's not zero, so we'll continue to watch that. Beach and boating forecast calls for a southwest wind coming in breezy this afternoon, even brisk tonight, west at about 20 during the overnight. That's one of the reasons we'll watch those storms for gusty winds. 76 today. Tomorrow, a first alert weather day. Well, first alert weather morning, I think, and then clearing during the second half of the day. 60% chance of your drive time showers tomorrow morning. And then as we head into the next several days, cooler, certainly. Over the weekend, a little extra cloud cover, and on Sunday, another good rain chance day before turning cooler a little bit again on Monday of next week.
Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So it's a rather cool, crisp start to your morning out there. 48 degrees in Sarasota, 49 degrees in Bradenton Parish, the same. Lakewood Ranch at 51, Longboat at 58 degrees, a little warmer out on the waters, close to the waters. 55 in Venice, 56 degrees in Inglewood, 51 in Northport, and then you get into the 40s in inland areas with 49 in Wauchula, Myakka, and Arcadia. So today we'll watch a wind which will develop out of the south, and it will take that dew point value, which right now is at 46, which is comfortable by any measure. A 46-degree dew point is a very nice kind of value that makes it feel cool, crisp, invigorating, very pleasant. However, as you get into the mid-50s and close to the 60 mark, it's certainly a noticeable difference. And I think that's what's going to happen this afternoon as our winds become more southwesterly. By 3 o'clock, look for 76 degrees, sunny with higher humidity around. By 7 p.m., under a mostly mostly clear sky. We will start to see the clouds begin to build by 7 p.m. though. 72 degrees. And then by midnight, I think it'll become mostly cloudy by then, and we'll have a chance at seeing a rain shower around, about a 40% chance of an isolated shower or sprinkle passing by. Then by the time we get to tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., we'll have a 60% chance of seeing showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms. And the potential is there, though it's very, very small potential, for seeing any kind of severe weather around. And by severe weather, I'm talking mostly gustly winds. Maybe an isolated tornado, but that threat, I think, exists mostly to our north. We have, across the region, a lot of cloud cover to the north of us, and that cloud cover will be moving southward into our area as we head into the night and especially the overnight. A lot of rain showers around, stretching from the Virginias all the way down through Atlanta and toward the area of the Louisiana Delta region. Some of the storms are fairly significant storms. This is all part of the low pressure area that will become the nor'easter that's going to really make it terrible, terrible traveling conditions in parts of the Northeast. It'll also lead to some more power outages and, of course, the heavy snows in parts of especially down East Maine. There are some scattered areas of snow showers back to the west, and there's the potential for about a 2-inch snow in and around the Chicago area. The frontal boundary approaches, gets on our doorstep tonight. We'll see a few scattered showers out in Gulf waters during the evening hours. You'll probably notice that around sunset. And then the frontal boundary itself moving southward will bring rain showers our way for drive time tomorrow. So sunny for the start of the day, dry throughout the day, and then showers coming our way tomorrow. But after that cold front comes through, things will turn cold, or cooler anyway. The frontal boundary itself, scattered showers moving through the panhandle today, then this evening just off our coastline. As we head into around the midnight hour, we'll see a few of those showers perhaps make it on shore. By drive time tomorrow, I think, we'll see some of those showers and thunderstorms stronger coming on shore with the potential of some gusty winds. Now, the time frame for these showers has been moving upwards over the last couple of model runs, so it is possible that if that trend continues, we'll see all those showers exiting the region before drive time. But at this point, I don't think so. I think they'll be around through drive time, exiting around mid-morning tomorrow. Beach and boating forecast calls for a southwest wind at 15 to 20, west wind coming in at about 20 later tonight. It will be a breezy afternoon and evening. 40% chance of after midnight showers, 76 our high, 70 tomorrow. First alert weather morning. The front moves through, clears us out. 65 on Thursday, 60s on Friday, and then another chance of rain showers, good one actually, on Sunday before turning a little cooler again on Monday.